Hello, my name is Lauryn Kirkpatrick, and this is my weather observation for Unit 4. The class is ATM F101X UX1, Weather and Climate of Alaska. My weather observations began on February 6, 2019, and ended on February 10, 2019. My weather station is located on the Army Base Fort Wainwright, just east of Fairbanks, Alaska. My weather station is behind my home. There are few trees, but we are surrounded by houses. Just north of my weather station is the Chena River and a bunch of wooded areas. To the east, south, and west, we have housing and buildings. Panning out even further, we see to the south of us is the Tanana River, and surrounding the city is wooded area. You can see to the east of my weather station that you have North Pole, Alaska. And to the west of my weather station, you can tell that there is the UAF campus. A little further zoomed out, we can see to the south, there is the Alaskan Mountain Range. And zooming all the way out, you can see that my weather station is just southeast of the center of Alaska. Here we see my Unit 4 weather observation worksheet for the last day of February 10th, 2019. All of my weather observations for the week were done around 4:45 p.m. Alaskan Standard Time. The location, again, is Fort Wainwright, Alaska, and latitude and longitude is 64.830522, comma negative 147.670498. The max and min for the week ended from our left thermometer ended at 24.1 degrees Fahrenheit for the max and 9.2 degrees Fahrenheit for the min. The same shows on the right max and right min. And for the last day, we could see that the barometric pressure was 1015.2 MB and 22.8 in Hg. The wind showed 1 mile per hour, and it was to the south, and we had about half cloud coverage with stratocumulus clouds, and there was no precipitation. Right here we see our weather observations put down for the entire week. Here is the plot for our air temperature of our left and right thermometers. The red shows the left and right thermometers' normal temperature recorded at 4:45 p.m. The max and min are also plotted with light blue and dark blue spotted lines. We did have a rapid temperature change between February 7th and February 8th. Both thermometers showed around the same temperature, as you can tell them overlapping. This is a usually normal temperature for this time of the year. You can see that there was a decrease in temperature from February 6th to February 7th. It goes much further up on February 8th, down to February 9th, and a little bit up towards February 10th. This is our barometric pressure. plot. This varied over the week by increasing from February 6th to February 8th slightly. It elevated a lot more frequently from February 7th to February 8th. It evened out around February 8th to February 9th. And from February 9th to February 10th, we see a large decrease in that pressure. Wind varied a lot over this past 5-day weather observation. From the 6th, the wind was about 2 miles per hour to the south. On the 7th, it was 5 miles per hour to the southeast. The 8th, it was 4 miles per hour to the southeast. The 9th, it was 7 miles per hour to the south. And for the 10th, it was just 1 mile per hour to the south. We didn't really see a large change in direction, but we did see that giant decrease from the 9th to the 10th. The cloud coverage over the week showed on February 6th there was 0 cloud coverage. February 7th, we had 3/4 cloud coverage. February 8th, we had 3/4 cloud coverage. February 9th, we had 1/4 cloud coverage. And February 10th, we had half cloud coverage with stratocumulus clouds. The cloud's wind speed and wind direction correspond to the temperature and pressure by showing that increase in cloud coverage or wind speed will decrease the temperature. Nothing we have seen is unusual for this time, being sundogs, rainbows, those aspects. On the last day of our weather observations, we did have 15 inches of snow on the ground. There was good visibility, but we did have a cloudy sky. There was a 20% chance of snow. And that is my weather observation for Unit 4. Thank you.